Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. This is part 2 of the video on anatomy of muscles of the hand. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In previous part of the video, we completed the anatomy of the thenar muscles. In this part, we will discuss the hypothenar muscles and see the origin, insertion and action of these muscles. There are 4 hypothenar muscles, which include palmar brevis, abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, and the opponens digiti minimi. Starting with the first muscle, the palmar brevis. It originates from the palmar aponeurosis and the flexor retinaculum, and gets inserted to the dermis of the skin on the medial margin of the hand. This muscle wrinkles the skin of the hypothenar eminence and deepens the curvature of the hand, improving grip. Let's have a look. This is the palmar aponeurosis, and this is the flexor retinaculum. Both of these are the points of origin. This is the medial margin of the hand, the point of insertion. And this is how its action helps in improving the grip. So this muscle is the palmar brevis. Next muscle is the abductor digiti minimi. This muscle originates from the pisiform bone and gets inserted to the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. As the name suggests, the action of this muscle is abduction of the little finger. Let's have a look. So this is the pisiform bone, the point of origin. And this is the proximal phalanx of the little finger, the point of insertion. This muscle is the abductor digiti minimi. Third hypothenar muscle is the flexor digiti minimi brevis. The muscle originates from the hook of hamate and the adjacent flexor retinaculum and gets inserted to the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. This muscle flexes the proximal phalanx of the little finger. Let's have a look. This is the flexor retinaculum, and this is the hamate bone, the points of origin. This again is the proximal phalanx of the little finger, the point of insertion. So this muscle is the flexor digiti minimi brevis. Last hypothenar muscle is the opponens digiti minimi. This muscle also originates from the hook of hamate and the adjacent flexor retinaculum and gets inserted to the medial margin of the little finger. As the name suggests, the action of this muscle is opposition of the little finger. Let's have a look. These are the points of origin. And this is the medial margin of the little finger, the point of insertion. This muscle is the opponens digiti minimi. With this we complete the hypothenar muscles. So that is it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow us on Instagram. Links in the description.